everyone, today we use CSH002 key cutting machine. It's a mini and portable key cutting machine. So today we mill Volkswagen keys. We mill the key with a secret lighter. Connect to the power on secret lighter. Can you see this? So now, let's start it. It's Volkswagen keys. So you can see the original keys. Now we set the original keys. We use adjuster knob to adjust the height. When the light turns to green, it means it's right, so we'll mill the key more smoothly. Now we set a 31 keep link. Okay, turn the power. It adjusts the height. Okay, now we mill the other side. Very smooth. Wipe the dust out.
帅哥，这是配那个这个的钥匙吗？
什么的？
配个钥匙多少钱？
什么车？
就是这个车，
本田锋范哪一年的
12年的。
？200多块钱。
钥匙开过来是吧？
对，钥匙遥控全部一起200多。
我说是要把
车要开过来，车要开过来。那不行，车光带钥匙没用。10几分钟。
这里什么时候下班
7点多没下班。
？290，现在怎么看车？
So now, you can see the both sides very smooth. Let's use padlock to have a test. Good job, well done.